Hello everyone. Welcome to Channel Nitrix. Today we will open the box of the Anbernic RG35XX Plus device. That was recently released by Anbernic and is considered the second version of the device. Take a look at the internal components of the device inside the box. There is a screen protector for the device and a USB Type-C charger connector. In terms of the external design of the device, there has not been much change from the previous version in terms of design. We also finally got a closer look at the back of the device, showing off the new battery door and improved trigger design. The Anbernic RG35XX Plus is equipped with a high-fidelity speaker, dual card slots for TF cards, and a 64GB SD card preloaded with 5,000 games. Users also have the option to upgrade to a 64GB and 128GB SD card with 10,000 pre-installed games. Charging is facilitated with a 5V 1.5A input and compatibility with C2C chargers. Additional features include support for 2.4G wireless and wired controllers, Bluetooth handle connection, existence of exits HDMI output to TV, vibration motor, and Wi-Fi online pairing, and streaming capabilities. The package includes a USB charging cable, a gift box, a user manual, and a screen protector. The compact dimensions of the device measure 11.7 centimeters in length, 8.1 centimeters in width, and 2.2 centimeters in height, with a weight of 186 kilograms. Anbernic RG35XX Plus controller specifications. The Anbernic RG35XX Plus is available in 3 distinct colors: transparent black, and gray, and white. It features a 3.5-inch IPS screen with full viewing angles, full lamination, and a resolution of 640,480. Powering this handheld console is the all-winner H700 quad-core ARM Cortex, a 53 processor clocked at 1.5 GHz. The device boasts a dual-core G31 MP2 for RAM and Elpida 41GB for storage. Running on the Linux operating system, it comes with 64GB of internal storage via TF microSD, expandable up to 512GB. The console supports 2.45G and Wi-Fi, Bluetooth